Hello everyone. In this lecture we will discuss about computer aided process planning. This topic is related to power system planning of 6M electrical branch. Computer aided process planning. Computer aided process planning is the application of computer to assist the human process planner in the process planning function. The primary purpose of process planning is to translate the design requirements into manufacturing process details. The process planning acts as a bridge between design and manufacturing by translating design specification into manufactured process details. It reduces the time and effort required to prepare process plans and provide more consistent plan. In manual based process planning is time consuming and developed plan may not be consistent and optimum. This is the block diagram of computer aided process planning. Computer aided process planning integrates and optimizes system performance into the inter-organizational flow. For example, if we one change in design, it must be able to fall back on computer aided process planning module to generate manufacturing process and cost estimates for these design changes. And if in case of machine breakdown on the shop floor, computer aided process must generate the alternative action. It will also provide the automated interface between computer aided design and computer aided manufacturing, and in the process achieve the complete integration with in computer aided manufacturing and computer aided design. Advantages over manual experience based process planning. The uses of computer in process planning have following advantage over a manual experience based planning. These are: it can systematically produce accurate and consistent process plans. It leads to the reduction of cost and lead time of process plan. Skill requirement of process planner are reduced to develop feasible process plan. Interfacing of software for cost, manufacturing, lead time estimation, and work standards can easily be done. Leads to the increased productivity of process planner. Classification of computer aided process planning. In recent days, several computer aided process planning systems are available for use of a variety of manufacturing operation, and this system can be classified into two categories: variant computer aided process planning and generative computer aided process planning. Variant computer aided process planning method. Variant process planning approach is sometimes referred as a data retrieval method. Data retrieval method is the process of identifying and extracting data from a database based on a query provided by the users or application. In this approach, process plan for a new part is generated by recalling, identifying, retrieving an existing plan for a similar part and making necessary modification for new part. This is the block diagram of variant process planning activity. Its name suggests a set of standard plan is established and maintained for each part file in a initial stage, and such part are called master part. After identifying a new part with a file, it involves retrieving and modifying the process plan of master part of the file. Advantage of Variant computer-aided process planning. Processing and evaluation of complicated activities. Structuring manufacturing knowledge of the process plans to companies need through standardized procedures. Reduce development and hardware cost, shorter development time. It is essential issue for small and medium scale companies where product variety is not so high and process planner are interested in establishing their own planning research activities. Disadvantage of vibrant process planning. It is difficult to maintain consistency during editing. Proper accommodation of various combination of attributes and such as material, geometry, size, quality, alternate processing. Machine loading among many other factors are difficult. The quality of the final process plan largely depend on the knowledge and experience of process planner. The dependency on the process planner is one of the major shortcomings of vibrant process planning. Generative computer aided process planning. In generative process planning, process plans are generated by means of decision logic, formulas, technology, algorithm, and geometry-based data to perform uniquely processing decision. Generative process plan mainly consists of two major components: geometry based coding scheme and proportional knowledge in the form of decision logic and data. Geometry based coding scheme. All the geometric features for all process such as related surface features, dimension, locations on the features are defined by geometry based coding scheme. The level of detail is much larger in generative system than a vibrant system. For example, various details such as rough and finished state of the part are provided to transform into desired state. Proportional knowledge in the form of decision logic and data. Process knowledge in the form of decision logic and data are used for matching of part geometry requirement with the manufacturing capabilities. Operation instruction set are automatically generated to help the operator to run the machine. In case of manual operations, codes are automatically generated when numerically controlled machines are used. Advantage of generation process plan. Maintenance and updating of stored process plans are largely unnecessary. The process logic rules, however, must be maintained up to dated and ready for use. Usually use a decision tree to characterize part into families. Thank you.